Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video, we will see exercise 12.2 of class 8th. This exercise 12.2 is completely based on the topic numbers in standard form. So, when we have numbers like in this form like 472.98, on that time it can be write in the smaller form with multiplicative of 10 raised to the power. You can simply see, for converting numbers into the standard form, we have simply one rule. We will shift decimal at the right side or at the left side. At the right side or at the left side. But just before the decimal, we want as one number. We will not consider in front of decimal 0. So we will not shift decimal here, because when we shift decimal here, on that time in front of decimal what we will get? We will get 0. So it will not be standard form. For the standard form, we will shift this decimal in between 4 and 7. So it will be 4.7298, and we shifted our decimal in left direction. Okay, this left direction means whatever the power of 10 will come, it will be in the negative. It will be positive, because we are going from the left hand side. Okay, and how many places we shifted? We shifted 2 places. We shifted this decimal 1 and 2 places. So 10 raised to the power positive 2 when we shift decimal in left direction. It's just opposite in the right direction. When we shift the decimal in right direction, on that time we will see the one example, which is if we have 0.0052. You can simply see in front of decimal what we have 0. That's why we will shift this decimal here, because when we shift decimal here, on that time we will get in front of decimal one number. And how many places we shifted? We shifted 1, 2, 3 places. So 10 raised to the power 3, but we shifted at the right side, that's why the power will be negative. Okay, from left to right we shifted, that's why negative power will be here. Now if one more example we are taking, if we have 26.7432, okay, on that time this decimal will shift only one number. Okay, so the answer is 2.67432, and we shifted which direction? We shifted left direction. It means that our power will be positive. And only one number we shifted, so 10 raised to the power only 1. Now one more case, if we see, if we have 476, in this number you can simply see we don't have decimal, but decimal is here at the last of the number. So we simply shift this decimal at the between 4 and 7. So decimal will be here 4.76, and decimal was in the last position and it shifted 2 places at the left. 2 places, so positive 2 will be the power of 10. So the standard form, which is given the short form of the number as in the multiplicative of the 10 raised to the power. Now the first question is, express the following numbers in standard form. Simply you have to see at the beginning where we are shifting the number. Okay, shifting the decimal. Here we have decimal, and this decimal will shift here. So this decimal will go here, and decimal shifting direction is right. decimal shifting direction is right. When we are shifting decimal in the right, on that time the power of 10 will be negative. We shifted decimal from here in between 8 and 5. So decimal 8.5, and it will multiply by how many places we shifted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 10 raised to the power negative 12. Same as here. Here we will shift decimal from here to here. 9 is the number, and in front of decimal we want at least one number. So the answer is 9.42, and we shifted decimal at the right. It means the power of 10 will be negative. And how many places we shifted? We shifted 4 plus 4 plus 4. It means we shifted 12 places and in the right direction. That's why 10 raised to the power minus 12. Now here, third one is, here we have this number. You can simply see in this number we don't have any decimal. It means that the decimal is in the last position, and from here we will shift our decimal here, okay, in between 6 and 0. So the answer is 6.02, and after the 2 each and every number is 0. So after 2 we will not write. In between 6 and 2 we have 0, so that's why we will write this middle 0, but at the end we will not write. Now we shifted our decimal in the which direction? We shifted decimal in the left direction. It means the power will be positive. And how many places we shifted? 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, 13, 14 and 15. So that the power of 10 is 10 raised to the power 15. Now the fourth one is here. Here we have decimal here. So we will shift this decimal from here to in between 8 and 3. So it will be 8.37 and multiply by 10 raised to the power. Firstly check, is it negative or positive? Power will be negative because we are shifting the decimal in the right direction. And how many places we shifted? We shifted 4 plus 4 is 8, and one place of 8 is 9. So it will be negative 9. Now the last of the question number first is, again here we don't have any decimal. So at the end here we have decimal. This decimal will go in between 3 and 1. So that 3.186, and we will ignore last 0. And it will multiply by 10 raised to the power negative because we shifted in the right direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 places shifted. It means it will be positive 10 because we shifted left direction. You can simply see from right to left it means positive, from left to right it means negative. Now question number 2 is, express the following numbers in usual form. We have the standard form. From this standard form we have to shift the decimal into the usual form. It means we will remove this 10 raised to the power of each question. Here we have the number which is 3.02. So we will remove this decimal. Negative power is here. So this negative is coming when we put it the decimal from, when we shifted the decimal from right side. Now for removing this negative power we will simply shift this point to the left direction. How many places we will shift? Left. 6 places. So 3 is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now decimal will come here and here is the 0 and last 0 to as it is. You can simply shift, see there, here when we shift again from decimal from right hand side, on that time we know the power will be negative. Okay, That's why we shifted decimal in the left direction. We are doing the opposite of first question. Okay. Now here we have 4.5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 4. Positive power, and positive power is coming when we shift decimal in the left direction. Now the left opposite is right. Now we will shift 4 places in the right. 4 places in the right. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and decimal will be here. And in front of the decimal, what is the number? 4. So this is the answer. Now third one is 3 is multiplying by 10 raised to the power minus 8. माइनस 8 कब आता है? जब हम डेसिमल को राइट में शिफ्ट करते हैं, और राइट का अपोजिट क्या होता है? लेफ्ट. इट मीन्स अब हमको डेसिमल कहाँ शिफ्ट करना है? लेफ्ट में. कितनी प्लेसेस? 8 प्लेसेस. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here is the decimal. So the answer is 0.4 times 0, 3 times 0, and 3. Now fourth one is 1.0001 multiplies by 10 raised to the power 9. Now the 10 power is 9, which is positive. It means this positive power was came just because when we shifted our decimal in left direction. So opposite of left is right. Now we will shift our decimal in right direction. How many places? 9 places. So already after decimal we have 000 and 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 places shifted. Still we have to shift 5 places, which will be filled by 0. Okay. And in front of the decimal, what was the number? 1. So this is the answer. Now we have 5.8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 12. This positive 12 was came when we shifted our decimal in the left direction. So left of opposite is right. तो अब हम कहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे? राइट में. कितनी प्लेसेस? 12 प्लेसेस. So 8 is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And in front of 8, what was the number? 5, which is the answer. Now the last one is 3.61492 multiplies by 10 raised to the power 3. 10 raised to the power 6 is the positive. It means that this positive 6 power is came when we shifted our decimal in the left. So opposite of left is right. So now we will shift decimal in the right direction 6 places. So first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, and this is the 0. And in front of this 6 is 3. So this is the answer of question number 2. Now question number 3 is express the number appearing in the following statement in standard form. So whatever the number is coming in the statement, that numbers we have to express in the standard form. Its first one is 1 micron is equal to 1 by 10 lakh meter. So this 10 lakh can be expressed as in the way 10 raised to the power. Whatever the number of 0, we will count and we will shift, simply write their power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros is here. So simply we will write 10 raised to the power 6. Now we seen one law in previous exercise. Negative exponent will change into positive when it will come in the denominator. So this positive expression, positive power, will change into negative when it will go in the numerator. So that the answer is 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 6, and unit will be m. Its second one is charge of an electron is, this is the number, and at the end we have 1/6 coulomb. It means simply we have simple 0 in between 0, 0. So we will shift this decimal in between 1 and 6. So the answer is 1.6 multiplied by Now simply see, we are shifting decimal from left to right. We are shifting decimal in the right direction. Right means the negative power of 10. And how many places we shifted? Simply 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 9, plus 3 12, plus 3 15, plus 3 18. And in between 1 and 6 is there, so 1 will also count, so that the 19. It means the charge of electron is 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay. Now the third one is size of bacteria is 0.00000005 meter. So we will shift this decimal in the right direction and here. So 5.0. And how many places we shifted in the right? We shifted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 places in the right, that's why negative power of the 10. And unit will be meter. Its fourth one is size of a plant cell is 0.00001275 meter. So this decimal will shift in the right direction in between 1 and 2. So that the 1.275 multiply by, we shift it in the right direction. It means the power of 10 will be negative. And how many places we shifted? Here we have 4 and this one will be 5. 5 places we shifted, that's why 10 raised to the power minus 5 meter. Now the last of question number third is thickness of a thick paper is 0.07 millimeter. So simply we will shift this decimal in the right side. So 7.0 multiply by 10 raised to the power, how many places we shifted? 1, 2. Negative 2 because we shifted in the right side, millimeter. Now the last question of the chapter, which is question number 4. In a stack, stack means a bunch. In a stack there are 5 books in the stack, which is each of thickness 20 millimeter. Each book is having the thickness of 20 millimeter and 5 paper sheet in the stack, 5 book and 5 paper sheet. But 5 paper sheet each of thickness 0.016 millimeter. What is the total thickness of the stack? In the stack 5 book and 5 paper sheet is there, and question is giving the each book thickness and each paper sheet thickness. We have to simply find out what is the total thickness of the stack. So that the solution is here, thickness of one book is 20 millimeter. Simply thickness of 5 book, it means we will simply multiply 5 in the thickness of one book. So 20 into 5 is 100 millimeter. Same we will do for the paper sheet. Thickness of one paper sheet is 0.016 millimeter. For getting 5 paper sheet thickness, we will simply multiply 5 into thickness of one paper sheet. So 0.016 multiplied by 5, which will give us 0.080 millimeter. Now what we have to take out, simply total thickness of the stack is thickness of 5 book plus thickness of 5 paper sheet. So that the thickness of 5 book which we seen is 100 millimeter and thickness of 5 paper sheet which we seen 0.080 millimeter. Simply we will add them. Now you can simply see here we have decimal in between the number. So we will simply write it into the form of standard form. So we will shift this decimal in between 1 and 0. So that the answer will become 1.0008 and we will ignore last 0. Now you can simply see we shifted decimal in the left. Here left means पॉजिटिव, जो गलत है उसकी पावर पॉजिटिव आएगी, और राइट मीन्स जो सही है उसकी पावर क्या आएगी? नेगेटिव. लेफ्ट मीन्स द पावर क्या आएगी? आप पॉजिटिव आएगी. कितनी प्लेसेस? 2 places we shifted. It means 10 raised to the power 2 and unit will be millimeter. So here we completed chapter number 12, which is exponents and power of class 8th.